Hello, students. Today's topic is appeal writing. We'll be dealing with it in brief. Let's begin. What are appeals? Appeals are used to create social awareness. They are done to involve people in general social activities. Create awareness of social problem, motivate to take active part in the movements, missions, or rallies. Now, appeal writing comes under your writing skill for 4 marks, especially in HSC board. Marking schemes, presentation of the content, convincing language, inspiring and motivational message. This is how the marking scheme is there. Let's see the rules and how to write an proper attractive appeal. Let's begin. Use a catchy slogan. Be brief. Address directly to the reader. Seek readers' participation. Can add pictures. Now, can add pictures, here you can use logo pictures. I didn't mean exactly pictures as such, you have to draw, but you can use symbols, you can use logos. Creativeness is required. Yes, the appeal should be creative, and for the creativeness, for innovations, you will be getting the marks. Appeal to heart. Now, this is an important aspect. Date, place, and venue should be mentioned to get the clarity of the content. Means you should get the answer to this question, that when the event is going to take place, at what time it is going to take place, where it is going to take place, and about what it is. Now, this is most important aspect, that all of the content should be inside the box. That means whatever you write related to the content, wherever, even if you draw logos, symbols, picture, everything should be inside the box only. This is mandatory. Let's understand through simple example. Here you can see catchy slogan is used, symbols are drawn, right? Menu has been mentioned, and about what the event is there, that is also been mentioned. Let's see another example. Here also a catchy slogan is used, symbols are used, right? Detailing of it is there, that is camp timing has been mentioned, right? And where you are supposed to go and to whom you are supposed to contact, that is also mentioned. I hope by now you must have got the clarity of the content through these two simple examples. That's all for the day. Thank you.